We're talking about mulch and putting in mulch. We also have some surprises in store for you and the price that you can get some of these bags for. And it's a pro tip, so stay tuned. We're going to be showing you all that in this video. So if you want to be part of the family here, click that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another one of our videos when we upload it. Plenty of good content. We have lots of videos coming up. Today's video, we're talking about mulch. Mulch acts as another barrier for weeds, but most importantly, it helps to keep water in, because when water's just sitting on the surface, it's kind of going to waste. But when you have mulch, the water is going to be there longer, so it has time to actually work and seep into the soil. I did another video installing this landscape fabric. You can click right here for that link. It is the DeWitt landscape fabric. It was a whole video in itself, so go check out that video after you watch this one. So this is a pro tip. When you go to Lowe's and you find that they have a bunch of open bags, like these were already pre-bagged, but they're considered an open bag. So you can always get these half off. And there may be half, 3/4 in there, but obviously it's open and it's making a mess and they don't want it in the store, so they bag it up and they let you have it at half price, sometimes even more. So ask them and check to see if it's going to be half price. Now, one important little part is my sprinkler head. I gotta cut a spot for it now. You can see how tough this is. It's hard to even use this knife right here. I got an adjustable piece on here, so I can pull this pipe up and down depending on how I want it, and then position it. I may get a staple and put in there just to help hold that down good. If you find any big pieces in this mulch, it happens from time to time. I pick them out. I can put them somewhere else rather than here. But this small section, it's like a 10 by 10 here. It's going to take quite a bit of mulch. I do have a rake that I can use to spread this out. A lot of times I find it just as easy to go ahead and use my foot and just kind of spread it out a little, just to eyeball what I have, and use the rake later to finish it all up. These are a lot easier to open than our discounted bags. The landscape fabric is going to minimize the amount of weeds you get. Now, usually they grow on top of the mulch. As the mulch breaks down, any kind of grass seedlings or anything that get thrown in here, you have germination. And that's how that happens. I haven't had a weed yet come through this fabric. This is a fairly easy job if you use the right material, of course. If you choose to use some landscaping fabric that's just not good, you're not going to get a very good result in the end, because weeds will grow right back up out of that, and you'll kind of be disappointed and then have the negative attitude towards landscape fabric. The landscape fabric, nothing's a guarantee. you can pull it back, and then you'll have a better line here. You don't want the first rain you get to wash out all your mulch into the walkway. So you can just press on it, kind of give it a nice firmness once you get enough in there. That's why I like to pack it down good to help keep it in place. Otherwise, it'll just kind of start moving itself around, washing itself out. This is probably enough. 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch is recommended for this. Okay, so we got it all done. It looks absolutely beautiful. We have the sprinkler head down there. Now, we only had one sprinkler. We had added that one, and that one is in a separate video altogether. And I'll also leave a link for that. Our tree is nice. We have our downspout guttering. As you can see, everything looks great. The mulch came out really nice. The whole job here came out really well. Landscape fabric. Should you not? What should you do? My opinion is put it down. Make sure you use a good quality fabric like the Wit. They make a great quality fabric, and that's the one that I would recommend for you. If you like this video, I'm sure you'll like the next one, so go ahead and click the link right here on the screen and follow to the next one.